Hello, I hope you're all doing well. Today in the Antique Garage, we'll be working on a small Lada engine. We'll disassemble it and rebuild it, and in the next video, we'll completely reassemble it. I hope you enjoy the video, so welcome. Let's begin. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's engine teardown. In this video, we will completely disassemble a Lada 2105 engine, carefully removing each component step by step to inspect its condition and understand how everything works together. We begin by removing the cylinder head. Before lifting it off, all necessary connections, hoses, and fasteners are disconnected. Once the head is removed, we can clearly see the tops of the pistons and the combustion chambers. Next, we inspect the head gasket and mating surfaces for any signs of wear, overheating, or leakage. This is an important step when diagnosing engine problems. Moving down to the valve train components, we remove the rocker assembly and related parts. Each component is organized carefully to make reassembly easier later on. Carefully disassemble the external components of the engine step by step. The process includes removing the radiator, distributor, carburetor, fuel lines, hoses, and other accessories attached to the engine. Each part is inspected and separated to prepare the engine for a complete overhaul and detailed maintenance. Now we move on to the clutch assembly. The pressure plate bolts are loosened gradually in a crisscross pattern to release spring tension evenly. Once the pressure plate is removed, the clutch disc can be taken out for inspection. We carefully examine the friction material for wear, cracks, contamination, or uneven contact surfaces. The clutch disc is a critical component that transfers engine power to the transmission, so checking its condition is essential during any complete engine teardown. The timing components are removed next. We inspect the timing chain, sprockets, and tensioning system for wear and damage. These parts play a critical role in maintaining proper engine timing. The disassembly of the timing chain system and related timing components. The timing chain, sprockets, tensioner, guides, and timing cover are carefully removed and inspected. Proper disassembly is essential to check wear, ensure accurate valve timing, and prepare the engine for maintenance or rebuilding. Understanding these components helps maintain engine performance and reliability. With the upper section disassembled, we continue by removing the oil pan. This gives us access to the crankshaft, connecting rods, and other lower engine components. Next, we remove the oil pan by loosening all retaining bolts and carefully separating it from the engine block. Once the oil pan is removed, we gain access to the lower engine components and can inspect the inside for sludge, metal particles, or other signs of wear. With the oil pan out of the way, we proceed to remove the oil pump. The mounting bolts are loosened, and the pump is carefully detached from the engine. After removal, the pump can be inspected for wear on the gears, housing, and pickup screen to ensure proper oil circulation and engine lubrication. Remove it to access the crankshaft. Connecting rods and pistons. Remove the connecting rod covers from below and push the pistons out from above, combustion chamber side. Crankshaft. Carefully remove the main bearing bolts to lift the crankshaft and its bearings. Now we begin removing the connecting rod caps one by one. After marking their positions, the pistons and connecting rods are carefully pushed out of the cylinders. As each piston is removed, we examine the piston rings, ring grooves, and cylinder walls. We look for carbon deposits, scoring, excessive wear, or other signs of engine aging. The crankshaft is the next major component to be removed. After taking off the main bearing caps, the crankshaft is carefully lifted from the engine block. With the crankshaft removed, we inspect the main bearings and journals for wear patterns. These surfaces provide valuable information about the engine's overall condition and lubrication history. Next, we remove the remaining components attached to the engine block, including plugs, brackets, and auxiliary mounting hardware. At this stage, the engine has been fully stripped down to its basic components. Every major part has been removed for inspection, cleaning, measurement, and possible rebuilding. A complete teardown like this allows us to evaluate the condition of the engine, identify worn parts, and prepare for a proper rebuild if necessary. Thank you for watching this Lada 2105 engine disassembly. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next project.